I'm gonna give this a shot. This one I'm really excited about. Again, it was one of those ones that wasn't really supposed to happen, but did. I'm also gonna bring these phones in potentially. I like the yellow and yellow here. And yellow, sometimes monochrome just works out really nicely. So this one is definitely done and I really love it. I think it's so funny and she is just so happy, which you really don't see in old magazines. A lot of them try to look serious, so this lady is just like, she's perfect. And while I was making this, I just had such a clear vision of what it would look like. And now that it's here, I also had such a clear name while I was creating, and I want to call it Lice. But she's so happy, like inhabiting the little curl. So in this case, this piece is done.